In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start Newacount in Mailerlite. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Mailerlite website. Make sure you are on the correct Mailerlite page before continuing, because this is where you will create your new account and access the tools you need later. Once the website loads, look around the main page for the Sign Up option. It may appear as Sign Up, Free Sign Up, or a similar button near the top of the page. When you see it, click that button to begin creating your Mailerlite account. After clicking the Sign Up button, Mailerlite will take you to the account creation screen. This is the starting point for setting up access to the platform. Take a moment to look at the options shown on the screen. Mailerlite may give you more than one way to create an account, and one of the easiest options is to connect with Google. If you want a faster sign-up process, click Connect to Google. This option can make the process easier because it allows you to use your Google account to continue instead of manually entering account details. Once you choose to connect with Google, follow the prompts shown on your screen. You may be asked to select the Google account you want to use. If you are already signed into Google on your browser, the account selection may appear right away. Choose the account you want to connect with Mailerlite and continue through the permission screen if it appears. This allows Mailerlite to create or access your account using that Google sign-in method. Be sure to only continue with an account that you are comfortable using for your Mailerlite profile. After the sign-up process is complete, you should be taken into Mailerlite. If you are not taken directly to the dashboard, go ahead and log in to Mailerlite using the same method you used when signing up. Once you are inside the platform, you will land on the dashboard. The dashboard is the main area where you can begin managing your account and finding the tools Mailerlite provides. Now that you are on the dashboard, look for the option that says Complete Profile. This is an important part of setting up your new account. Click Complete Profile when you see it. Completing your profile helps Mailerlite understand your account and prepares your workspace for use. You may see profile-related fields or prompts that guide you through the setup process. Take your time as you move through this area and provide the information requested on the screen. Avoid entering anything you do not want associated with the account and make sure the details you use are appropriate for your Mailerlite setup. Once your profile section has been started or completed, you can begin looking around the main Mailerlite dashboard. This is where you will see the major areas of the platform. You can navigate to campaigns, forms, automation, subscribers, and site. Each of these sections has a different purpose, so it is helpful to know where they are before you begin creating anything. The campaign section is where you can work with email campaigns. The forms section is where you can find tools related to sign-up forms. The automation area is where automated email workflows can be managed. The subscribers section is where your audience list is organized. The site section is where website or landing page related tools may be available. At this point, you do not need to build anything yet. The main goal is simply to know where these sections are and become familiar with the layout. And that is all there is to it. You have gone to the Mailerlite website, started a new account, used Google Sign Up if you wanted the easier option, logged in, completed your profile, and learned where to find the main Mailerlite tools.